it's your girl Olamide, and today I'm going to teach you guys how to make a sushi burrito in the comfort of your own home. So if you're curious, stay tuned and find out. It's your boy. First, we're gonna cook the rice. You're gonna put a cup of rice and 1 cup and 1/4 of water into your rice cooker. While that's cooking, I'm just gonna prep my shrimp. I'm gonna take the tails off. I'm gonna cut up the salmon. I'm gonna cut up the crab. I'm gonna cut up the avocados. All right, it looks like our rice is officially done. Looks real good. Just gonna fluff it up a little bit. So yeah, I just want to show you again. I transferred the rice into this bowl, and while it's still hot, I'm putting the rice vinegar in here, obviously in a nice little shot glass. Classy. And then I'm gonna add some sugar. It's good to do it. Ooh, got like no sugar left, but it's good to do while it's hot so that the sugar can be dissolved. And we're just gonna mix. I'm gonna mix. I don't know if you guys can see. Okay, now that we've finished up with the rice and it's cooled down a little bit, we're gonna put our sushi nori onto a bamboo mat and prepare to put our ingredients on here. As you can see, I have, taken out the tails of the shrimp. I've cut up the crab, and I've cut up the salmon, and I've also sliced up the avocado. And also, I'm gonna make a little mixture of a little mixture sauce. I put 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, and this is, like I said, my favorite, Sriracha. And I'm just gonna put that all in there. I know it might look kind of gross, but it's gonna be really good. And you just wanna mix that all up. First, we're gonna put the rice onto the sushi nori, but you have to make sure that you wash your hands first because the rice is incredibly sticky. All right, that looks good to me.
So put your mix on. Put a generous amount because this is good. Put some crab in there. Some salmon. Skinny noodles. So now you have a new wrap.
Just do that. Make sure it's nice and tight. Oops. We have our crab and salmon. We have our shrimp and crab. And we have our shrimp and salmon. Okay guys, now it's time for the taste test. A little look at it. It looks so good. This is really good. I really did do it, guys. It's that easy. You can make this at home in under like 20 minutes. Literally 20 minutes. And I made 3 burritos. Very full burritos too. Like, oh my gosh. Okay. I'm gonna stop now, but anyways, it's that simple. So if you enjoyed this recipe and you want to try it out, definitely take pictures of you making it and send me pictures. Make sure to like and subscribe and follow me on Instagram. Thank you for watching. Okay, goodbye.